Ever sometimes just need to buy a new vehicle? Well, this video will tell you how to buy a new car.
In order to get pre-approved for a new vehicle loan, you can apply over the phone, online, or in a branch. After applying for and signing the loan documents, you can now go car shopping.
It's time for a car shopping montage. Look, we're looking at cars.
When shopping
It's
for a car,
shopping
keep in mind that there are
montage.
many
It's
dealerships
not
that
a
are credit
parking
union
lot.
direct lenders,
It's
or
a
CUDL
car
for
shopping
short.
montage. Montage. Finding new cars, they're the best. Keep looking at cars. That's totally a dealership. Montage. Looking at cars. Hey, he found one. Yay.
Once you find a car, you can finalize all the loan paperwork at the CUDL approved dealership. They will work with WSECU directly to get the loan funded to your account. Just like that, you have your new vehicle.
Thanks, WSECU.